Hadike, the daughter of Amadike.
People say you are fearless and brave, but it's a lie. A lie that you have used to deceive the people of this community. I see you are afraid. All I know is that you are just a defender of Ogonedimba. And all these things should not bother you at all. Anyways, you are just an ordinary Maiden. You are just an ordinary Maiden. It is obvious that you are nothing but overrated by the gullible people of this land.
What's the meaning of this nonsense? What did they sup for here?
Sup kill you there.
Tell her.
But that sup kill you there. I can see the fears, the trauma in your eyes. If you can be this scared over a dead chicken, what gives you the balls, the effrontery to think that you can occupy the position originally meant for we men?
Me? Scared of dead chickens? Be like say you don't whine yourself.
Now let me warn you. This will be your last warning. If you dare try to contest against me, the position of the youth leader is mine, and that's my birthright. No man or woman, living or dead, will dare try to take that out of me. Because that is my birthright, and you can't take it out from me.
Okay. What's that look? Chalo. If you like, make your face like a lion. Your anger cannot even boil a pin. Listen to me. Look at these two dead chicken. Look at them. They represent you and your sister. Let me warn you. Tomorrow, stay away from that competition. If not, I will replace you and your sister with this two chicken.
You are nothing but an orphan who bends down to pee. Yes! You want to challenge me? Don't dare it. No!
One who is filled with bravery can never be intimidated with death. If you want to instigate fear in the heart of a warrior, come prepared. The next time I see both of you in my compound, you will not live to tell the story. You'll be dead like these chickens. Get out! Nonsense! Nonsense! Rubbish! These urchins, useless people think they can come to my father's compound and intimidate me. You better say not ask questions, I'm not well, yo. Imagine, they came to threaten me with this nonsense, with this rubbish. Jesus Christ, sister. I swear to God, if I catch them in my father's compound again, their body go surplus, blood go flow. Let them whine.
Sister, this whole thing is scary. It hasn't gotten to this now.
What is scary here? Nothing that's scary here. This is not toy, no nonsense. Nothing that's scary here.
Sister, you need to be careful. This whole thing is scary. I'm so scared though.
Why you gonna fear one like that? I better go buy these two chicken milk with chop. Tell her from inside house.
Yeah, sister. Jesus. Hi, Jesus, sister.
Well, I think she should resign. I mean, that's a honorable thing to do. Right? How can a woman be the youth leader of our great community? It's crazy. See, there are limits to positions a woman should be vying for.
Obiechina, are you being serious right now? You, an advocate of civilization in this present time, saying that a woman's place should be limited to the kitchen? Is that what you are confidently saying to me right now?
Mother, please, I hate it when you try to bring out words out of my mouth.
But that's exactly what you meant. As much as I do not fancy the candidacy of Moha, asking her to step down because she's a woman is quite discriminating. I don't buy that.
Exactly my point.
Meanwhile, the king and the elders, they are having a meeting on this matter as we speak. Let us await their conclusion.
Wahani danyima mbombo, wahani danyima mbombo, onye chiwereze na mara punge na ya mbombo, onye chiwereze na mara punge. Oyoyo, hey, danyima mbombo, hey, wahani danyima mbombo, onye chiwereze na mara punge na ya mbombo, onye chiwereze na mara punge na. Oyoyo, my ladies. What can I offer the both of you? I have ukwa, fresh corn, vegetables, palm wine. What do you go chop?
Wow. My incoming. In fact, forget anything food now until tomorrow. The incoming herself. My incoming. How are you preparing for election tomorrow?
My dear, I'm up against the almighty Ebuka. You know, go days you, so I need more support than ever.
You don't need to worry because the women are solidly behind you. Our large number is our advantage. Of course. And you know you have God, which is the highest advantage if you ask me.
Amen.
And victory is sure.
Amen.
And you know we need a female vibrant leader that can speak up for us before the Igbo and council. And I know that is exactly what you want.
My dear, the truth is, I am not intending to become the female youth president for my personal interest. I want to become the female youth president so that I can become the voice of the voiceless, the hope of the hopeless, and also to defend the people and more. That's all.
My king, this matter is not up for deliberation. It has never happened, nor has it been heard in any community around that a woman is allowed to contest for the position of the leader of the youth. No, we have the woman at that age grade. That is where she should go, not...
This matter has been discussed in this same palace, and we agreed that since the youth are made up of young ladies and young men, it is only fair if we allow the women also contest in the leadership position.
No, it has never been done.
Sit down. See, I said sit down. What do you mean by alo? Ichiebe, do I need to remind you that this matter was deliberated the day Awiwe went for traditional rulers meeting at the governor's lodge?
Where?
The governor said that the youth leaders should be allowed to sit with the elders during the elders and council meeting. He also instructed that the women should be given equal rights to lead as well.
We agreed that it should be done by election. Moi was allowed to contest alongside with your son, Ebuka. So whoever wins emerges the leader.
Carlo, what is this same problem?
She has not won.
She's the problem.
She has not won.
She's the problem.
She's only to contest with your son.
Listen to me. Let her not contest at all. Let her not contest.
Those in support of the motion that Nwaha should contest for the position of the youth leader should say aye.
Aye.
Those against should say nay.
No.
The ayes have it. Therefore, Nwaha will contest with Ebuka for the position of the youth leader. Good. Now to the main agenda of today's meeting. Viral Edge Manufacturing Company has written to us requesting for a portion of land for them to establish their company.
Wow.
What are your opinions on this?
Igwe, is the popular viral age company coming to our community from the city?
Of course, yes.
Wow. It's a good one. It's a good news.
So, it's a yes, right?
Yeah, yes.
Good.
Igwe, what do you think? Come on. Come on, come on. Take her. Please, don't allow us to enjoy you. Come on, for me. She said we play for you. I said, you're wasting my time. Come on,
You will pay what?
Yes.
When you reach palace now, you are the one who talk that one.
He doesn't know that one.
Come on! My friend, come on. Now this story, now they pay me.
I will side you from behind now.
You.
You're delaying my movement. Come on, can you go walk fast?
You will pay what?
Don't worry. For how many months now?
You say the joke for you. Honest with you. Honest with you.
Oh, okay. What is going on here?
Your Majesty.
For the past 6 market days, this woman here has refused to pay her security levy.
Woman, is that true?
Please, my king, it wasn't intentional. I wasn't able to pay my dues because of the expenses I made during my late husband's burial. Please, Biko, I promise I will pay. Have mercy on a poor widow, Biko.
Expenses. So, you want the kingdom to wait for you to go and look for money?
No.
And forget about the security strategies needed to safeguard the palace and the entire kingdom indeed. Oh. Obuka.
Majesty.
Send her to the palace cell and make sure she languishes there until she pays up.
Wait! What is our offense?
Move, come on.
What happened?
My prince, the woman was unable to pay her levy, so the king instructed the task force to lock her up.
That was what levy?
She could not pay her task. Her security levy.
Okay.
Father.
Guys,
I go wound you. Come here.
wound me now.
Come here.
Wound me.
I go.
You wound me. Wound me.
You need fear.
Wound me. I said that you wound me.
Come here.
Wound me. Stop. It is a trap. It is a trap to get you disqualified from the election. Yes. Look at him. Carry your back when we go.
I said I don't want to talk about it. Are you there for something?
I do not mean to offend you, Father, nor encroach on your royal decrees. Why would you order your guards to lock up a grieving woman? A woman that just lost her husband simply because she couldn't pay the security levy? Father, this attitude is both cruel and unruly.
How dare you use such unprincipled, despicable, and unfounded adjectives on my person? Are you by any means trying to abuse your privileges as a crown prince? What gave you the authority, the audacity, the temerity to challenge my authority?
I am sorry if my words are unkind. But all I'm asking is for you to have pity on that poor widow.
You better be sorry. Now listen, son. This kingdom is not ruled with mere emotions. Rules must be obeyed. That woman must offset her dues to regain her freedom. And that is final.
Thank you, my king. How much is the security levy?
The normal levy is 26,000 naira, but for defaulters, additional 20,000 naira, making it 46,000.
All right, how do I pay? Through cash or transfer?
Cash, transfer, whichever one is okay.
All right, then give me your details. Let me send the money and the fine. Please, I want her released immediately.
Sorry, my prince. If you make this transfer now, your name will reflect on the credit alert, and that will be a very big problem for us.
Then give me your personal details. See, I'm sending 70,000. 26 and 20 for the fine, everything. And keep the change, okay? I want her released.
70,000?
Yes.
Okay, let me call my account.
It's fast.
304-950-7266.
Bank?
First Bank.
First Bank.
Yes.
All right, done. Please release her immediately.
Thank you, my prince. I appreciate it. Thank you.
You can now turn and face us. Okay. One. Two. Three. Four. Five. Six. 7. 8. 9. 10. And 1.
My king, as you know, today is the day for the youth leadership election. And the election has been conducted. You know, you asked that the Ndichie supervise everything and bring feedback to you. The election was just conducted here in the palace. And these are just the representatives of the youths. I'm glad to tell you, my king, that the election has been done and trusted. And the one here is now the winner.
Mohadike, congratulations.
Thank you, my king.
Well, as the new leader of the youths of this kingdom, your new position will avail you the opportunity of sitting with the elders to discuss the progress and development of this kingdom. All right, so come forward and address your people.
Sons and daughters of this great community, this is my call to serve. As the youth leader of this great kingdom, I will make sure I protect the interest of my people and defend them with the last drop of my blood.
Quiet! With the last drop of your blood?
Yes, my king. This position of mine is very tasky. It comes with a great task to defend the defenseless. And if it will cost me my blood, so be it.
I said quiet! You are not the king. You are just a mere youth leader. Why are you talking of defending the land with your blood? Defending it from who exactly?
From the shackles and oppressors of this land.
Are you by any means challenging me?
Are they mad? Me challenge you? Who born me? I'm not fit try my king. Igwe!
Having Umoha as the youth leader of our great kingdom is really a huge blessing. Well, she is brave, fearless, very intelligent, more like a man. I believe that our people will benefit so much from her regime.
That girl disrespected your father, you know that's right?
I feel father misunderstood her speech.
I don't think so. That girl is a rude girl, and she was actually rude to your father, the king. Oh, see who we have here. Come on. My pretty daughter-in-law to be. Oh, welcome. Greetings, my darling. Please sit. Thanks. Hi, princess. Hi. How are you? I'm fine. Oh, yes. Why did you just do like that? Did I do anything wrong?
I don't like the way Obichina is treating this girl. If he's no longer interested in her, you should let her know.
Happy?
You're right, you know.
Come to think of it, When are you bringing in your own suitor? Leave me, John. I'm leaving you.
Boys, go inside there, pack whatever thing you can lay your hands on. Bring it out, let's go. Go! Pack everything you can lay your hands on, let's move! Go!
Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this?
Here to take everything that I've gotten from you. You are nothing but a betrayer! You betrayed me!
What are you talking about? How did I betray you, Ebuka? How?
You voted against me.
Come on, Ebuka. Is it because of that common election? Even if I had voted for you, it was clear that war is the people's choice. Why? Even the men that projected you ended up voting against you. Why do you want me to stand out? Why?
Now, Waha is the best option for that position, right? And not me, Ebuka. Now, let me tell you something. My image and ambition is far more better than whatever thing you think that we had. You are nothing but a betrayer. You betrayed me. And I'm here to take whatever thing I've got for you.
Please, I beg you.
Leave me alone.
Please don't let this come between the two.
Leave me alone! Boys! Come on, let's move! Let's go! Let's go now! Let's go! Back up! Let's go! Please! Let's go!
What are you doing in this place?
I came visiting, of course.
I can't remember inviting you, man.
Do I now need an invite to come over?
Oh yes, you need one. You can't just wake up one morning and start coming to someone's house without invitation. When are you leaving?
Oh God. Come on, baby. What is this? What is wrong with you? Why are you acting odd? What have I done?
I simply asked a simple question. When are you leaving?
I'm leaving now. If that will make you happy. Excuse me.
Wahani danyima mbombo. Wahani danyima mbombo. Oye chimereze na mada puena ya mbombo. Oye chimereze na mada puena. Oyo oyo. Agini. Why are you crying?
Ebuka came to my house with his man and he packed all my belongings because I refused to vote for him.
Eh?
He said I voted against him.
Yeah, you did.
He has gone to his house.
Dima, get your bike. Ebuka don't buy market. Hey.
intentional. I'm sorry.
What do you want to? You won't slap her. She just told you she's sorry. You
Is she blind? Can't she see? I'm sorry.
Okay, you won't slap her because you be princess. Don't try her more. You touch my sister, I go beat you for you. You the wine. Carry this back, where they go?
Hello? Obiechina? Where are you? That stupid girl splash water on me! Moha, I don't know her name, Moha or something. I'm there! She drove away! Alright, I'm waiting. I'm here. I'll be here. Alright, okay.
How dare a lamb enter into the lion's den? Do you want to die?
A lamb that has defeated a self-acclaimed lion on a prey hunting should be feared, for its tooth is stronger than that of the hyena.
Well, get out of my compound, or you live here in pieces.
Not without her property. Franca, go inside, go carry your teeth. Tell him I go with her.
Hey, don't you dare!
Where you chain yourself. You feel me? Otherwise your mind go day. This when I go beat you, your mind go day. If you move from here, I go slap you, the mad.
Why you trying you? Why you trying you? Go ask and me be able to cow. Another look person face. Why?
Pussy.
My goodness. Princess, what happened to your room?
Mother, is it not those stupid?
Bike man. A bike man. One stupid bike man did this to her.
A bike man did this to your royal robe? And you allow him to go scot-free? Ha!
Sorry. Go upstairs and freshen up, okay?
Yes, Ebuka. Get your men.
Go into the community and arrest all the bike men you will see. Bring them to the palace. Immediately, idiot!
Father, it has not gotten to this. Why would you invite all the bike men in this community?
You shut up. Are you to teach me how I rule my kingdom? Now get out of my sight! Get out!
Yes?
Bring them in.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Your Majesty, we have arrested all the bike men in this community. They are all here now with us.
All of them?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Good. My queen, go and get the princess. Let her come and identify that rider that poured mud on her royal robe.
Yes, my king.
You can go.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Abuka, wait behind.
What? Why? So, who's going to identify that rider, that stupid rider?
My king, she said that the prince can identify the rider.
Good. Get me the prince.
Oh, I am sorry the prince left a while ago.
Serious as always. Obuka,
Your Majesty.
go and collect the tax of 10,000 from each of them for pouring mud on my daughter, the princess. Okay?
Yes, Your
They
Majesty.
are all accomplices. And if any of them refuses to pay or does not have the money to pay, seize the person's bike. We are going to sell it.
Your
Yes.
Majesty.
Who are you? I am Ije from Mbambili. I was your mother's friend when she was alive. I have come to give you her message. You are too young to join your mother in the land of the dead. The war you are about to engage in with those in authority will not go down well with you. Is that all? Well, my name is Uwan Hadike. That name was given to me because I belong to everyone. I'm a servant, the youth leader of this great kingdom. The only time I am not allowed to confront those in authority is when they are doing well. I'm not a warmonger. I don't derive pleasure in engaging myself in war. As we speak, nobody in authority has done anything evil to incur my wrath. This land is at peace. This is a prophecy that has been revealed to you. Be careful. Those in authority are taking decisions against you. Please do not engage in any argument with them. Please, I beg you again, do not engage in any argument with them. Because this black cloth will be used by your loved ones to mourn you. I have delivered my message to you. And I reject your message. I reject your evil message. None of my loved ones will wear a black cloth. Thank you for your message. Good night. Please leave. Ogini, why are you looking at me like that?
Sister, are you going to discard that prophecy like it meant nothing to you?
Listen, only cowards allow their lives to be controlled by prophecy. I am not going to cage myself inside the house because of some stupid prophecy. It will never happen.
You called it stupid prophecy. Sister, that was not just a stupid prophecy. You heard her clearly. She introduced herself as Mom's late best friend. What are you talking about? Sister, I believe so much in that prophecy. Do you know why? Because you just emerged as the youth leader and you and I know what you are capable of doing. You are most likely to challenge the rules and regulations of this land. Sister Biko, you need to be extremely careful. I don't want anything to happen to you.
Chidima, it's all beginning to make sense to me now. You know why? That woman was paid to instill fear into me, so I won't be able to carry out my duties as the youth leader of this kingdom. But she has failed, because I will defend the interest of my people to the last drop of my blood. I'm not well now, you know, I don't go agree. Everybody go hear word for this kingdom. It don't be you.
Sister, you don't have to be stubborn over this thing. This thing is a prophecy and I'm sure it will happen. Sister, oh, sister, it's only you I have. Oh. Sister!
Give my shoe. Give my shoe. Stop. 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 Give me my shoe. Stop. Stop. Stop it. Stop. Give me my shoe.
And what is the meaning of this nonsense?
Fighting in a royal space? You have the effrontery to fight in this royal home this early morning. Why?
I'm sorry, my queen. Mabel here is always intruding into my private stuff. And then when she uses them, she damages them.
My queen, the last time I used that stuff, she warned me never to touch her thing without telling her. And now, she went to take my brand new slippers without informing me. And instead of her apologizing, she's dragging it with me.
Can you listen to yourselves? Can you listen to the nonsense you're spewing from those holes on your faces? You had the audacity, the guts to fight in a royal home? Both of you will not go unpunished. From now henceforth, you are going to be responsible for cleaning the whole compound. You will do the dishes, you will do the laundry, and you will do all the chores in this palace. And that includes the washing of the royal cars.
My queen.
Listen, and attentively too. If I find out that anyone tries to help you in doing any of these chores, trust me, I will extend the duration of the punishment. Good riddance to bad nonsense.
My queen, we are sorry.
Please, we are sorry.
Please, my queen.
You see what you've caused? What caused is it me that started it? Why did you wear my shoe? Come on, get out. Have you not been wearing mine?
You see, the people of that community, they don't even buy fish from the They will just put hand in the river and collect fish. You see?
Greetings, my elders.
Nana, welcome.
Thank you.
Like I said.
Oh no. Can you imagine? Just look at the time she's coming to a cabinet meeting. On her very first day in the office as a cabinet member representing the youth. She can't even come on time. Look, I have said this times without number. The office of the youth leader is not for a woman, not for a lazy one like this.
How did they walk you? Bomb dey your head. You see this opata where you yarn now, or God no try am again. The kind yam ban when I get, you no get them. The kind of livestock that I have in your next generation, you no fit get them. I'm not a lazy woman. I'm a farmer and I'm very hardworking. A businesswoman at that. Talking about coming late, I did not even come late because the meeting has not even started. So what you dey yarn, you dey whine?
You are trying to insult me, your elder, in Igwe's palace.
Are you dey insult yourself?
Enough of all this, please. Igwe is not yet here. It will be very embarrassing for him to walk in here and meet us displaying this childish attitudes.
Oh, no.
Can you imagine?
Or how it is, something must enter.
Come down there. Come, where your tickets? Bring your tickets.
Baba, na it's too early now. Now this early morning, I want to collect.
Which kind of talk with this one?
Baba,
now you want to tell us what you will do?
See,
where your tickets now? What did they worry you now?
I mean, if you don't want to pay, make you carry.
Alright, come down, come down, come down.
I just they come out now. Mo kuna allow me work. Make I.
As you they come out, you don't know say you go pay for ticket. Come out.
Papa, no, they talk.
Shut up.
What did they worry you? Come on, leave that bike.
Chama, leave me. Make I take care of her.
Leave that bike.
Give me my bike, oh guy. Give me my bike.
Wait. Where your tickets now?
Now this early morning person want.
Hey, shut up.
Business you do.
Make I tell you something, Now you want to tell us why we wanted to do our work. If you don't inside your house, you go collect.
Baba, leave my bike.
Come.
Wait till they talk.
I said what is going on here? Come on, leave me also. The Chris.
Are you okay?
My prince, this girl here don't want to pay for her ticket.
Greetings, my prince, that's a lie. I only beg them to allow me work since I'm just coming out from the house, but they refuse.
This one, a long English, just a speak. My prince, she has refused to pay for ticket. We asked her to bring out her ticket. She refused, so we have to seize this bike.
Yes.
It's okay, alright? Hand the bike over to her.
Hmm?
Are you deaf?
Hand the bike over to her! With all due respect, my prince, the Igwe asked us to collect tickets from all the bike riders.
Yes.
So we are doing our work.
We are doing our work.
If she cannot provide it, then we will seize the bike.
How dare you shout when explaining things to me? I'm the prince of this land. How dare you challenge me?
My prince, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. But we...
I will not say this again. Hand the bike over to her. Now!
My prince, it's very hard. It's very hard.
Guys. Remember, he's the prince of the land.
How will that job now if you don't
leave the bike?
You should get out.
Leave my presence!
Prince, you supposed to follow law. Now law, you just defend the law. This is illegal.
Thank you so much, my friends. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much.
It's alright. Your name is Chidima.
Yes, Dima.
Dima. Alright, go home and meet with your sister. I'm rushing to the palace now for an emergency meeting. I'll see you later.
My sister is already at the palace.
Oh, yes, I remember. Do you have my number?
No, sir.
A minute.
Oh, Papa. Nonsense.
This is my card.
Igwe.
I can see that the new youth leader has resumed to represent our fellow youths. You're welcome. By the way, where is the prince?
I'm here, Father. Sorry I came late. My head has this part of me.
No. You are all aware that the government has increased our tax from 5% to 10%. So it only makes sense for us to increase ours from 10% to 25%. Is this a protest or an objection? Listen, if you have anything to say, you better say it now or forever remain silent.
Thank you, my king. My king, I think we should plead with the government to at least reduce our own tax to 5%. In that case, it will make ours to remain 10%. We all know how difficult things are right now. Sorry, my king. 25% is okay.
Good. Of course, you are all aware that, things are very difficult these days. the cost of things have gone haywire. Therefore, we cannot source enough money to fund the kingdom's budget if we continue to take 10%. So, 25% is final.
So it's okay, my king. Your word is law.
My king, as a youth leader representing the youth, on behalf of my people, I am demanding that the royal family give us the transparent account of the taxes generated in this kingdom before talking about paying tax or even increasing it.
Oh, wow. How dare you demand for such? The king accounts to no one.
Now their problem go there. Because the reason our forefathers introduced paying of tax into the system is to be able to generate money that can be used to help the less privileged in this community, improve health sectors, and improve our educational sector, which includes skill acquisitions. It shouldn't be a problem.
This meeting is over.
Why? Why the meeting go there over when we've not even concluded on the matter in the first place? What did they stop now?
She's challenging me. Listen very carefully. This new tax must be paid by every living thing doing business in this land. Be it burial ceremony, chieftaincy ceremony, housewarming, etc. And you must be very, very brutal in accomplishing this task, else they will challenge it. Is that understood?
Yes,
Now go.
Father, why are you being brutal to your people? I mean, these are same people that elected you as their king. Why are you hell-bent on frustrating them?
These same people who call my people frustrated me. They made me pay through my nose before giving me the crown. This is 21 years. 21 years of being on this throne. And I'm still paying my debts. The money I borrowed to acquire this crown. And you expect me to leave them to go scot-free? Never. They will continue to pay. They will continue to pay until I get back every single dime that I spent in acquiring this throne.
I really do not understand this. How could you bear such grievances over your people? Father, I must be very frank with you. This is unfair.
Did you say unfair? The only thing that is unfair here is that I have a son who is supposed to support me. Rather, he opposes every single decree that I make.
But Father, I
don't want to hear anything. Enough! I want to be alone.
Somebody need to challenge the authority. Somebody need to save us from this dungeon. Somebody need to sacrifice. greatest king. I will stand my ground and fight you. Go rain, go sunshine, I must fight you. I will fulfill my destiny. In this life, I must fulfill it. In this land, I must fulfill what I come for. Somebody needs to say the truth.
So Kenneth is the one returning in corpse just like that. Oh God, this life no balance. I really pitied him. More especially Geneka, you know how close they used to be. Used to be very close.
Stop! What is the meaning of this? Is there a problem? Why are you blocking our path? There will be a serious problem if you do not cooperate. Cooperate over what? Please.
Now listen, we are here to take the burial levy. So you know what say, before you go organize burial for this village, you go come palace, come pay your levy. Abi the craze? Burial levy?
This is alien to me. What levy are you talking about, please?
Alien or something, whatever you call it. We are not here to exchange words with you. The burial levy is 250k.
What? I beg your pardon. You don't expect us to pay that outrageous sum of money?
Do you think we are here to just exchange words with you? Huh?
What is going on? There you go. What is happening here? What is it? Where taking the cops to? Please leave the cops alone. Come on, follow here. Shift the cops alone. Taking the cops too. Bring the cops back. Why are you taking it too? Why taking the cops too? Bring the cops back.
We need to go and inform Moha now. We need to go. Yes. Let's go.
Our king is very mean and a very heartless man. I only pity for his family members. Oh, come on, let's go. Let's follow them and see where they go.
She fears no man at all. She know when love truth now what for her side. All she wants is freedom of her people. All she needs is freedom and truth.
What did they all call for here?
What's the meaning of this nonsense now?
You know, I suppose reply this your question, but no Dwam. You know why? Your brain is damaged. You not get sense. You all are fools. Una mama no train una well. Take this casket back. Let the owners bury their dead in peace or face my wrath. You know they mad.
You can do nothing. Come, is it because they named you the leader of the youth? You think you can stop the order of the king? Huh? Are you mad?
You know, the king can allow his subjects to suffer in the face of their sorrows. But you see me, as the youth leader, I no go agree. Every evil in this land must be stopped. Yes. This casket, una go return am, otherwise
nothing go happen. Now listen, what thing go happen? Enough of this of the insults. Leave our way or you die now.
What do you? We not go try anything. What do you want to do?
for her.
You can go and bury the dead in peace. Nobody will stop you. And never burn the person where we go obstruct you now. Go.
Thank you. Let's go. Please. Put the casket, let's go.
Being a mere woman stopped you from carrying out your legitimate duties, and you have the guts, the impetus to come before my presence and spill it out.
Your Majesty, we are only trading with caution, since she's now part of your council.
Come on, keep quiet! Now you go back there. Go and take her, drag her, and bring her here.
Wait, please. My king, we have to tread with caution here. Dragging this girl here might cause an uproar among the people. The youths especially. You see, they will start seeing her as a very important personality. Our big hero. The woman that is able to challenge our king. Huh? Check it, my king.
Oh no, who asked for your suggestion here? Who asked you to talk? Now, you go to the armory. Pick arms and go there. Drag her here. If she refuses to come, shoot her and bring her corpse here. Now move! Idiots!
Igwe, I beg to take you. I have an urgent family matter to take.
All thanks for coming.
I have come to put an end to oppression in this community. No matter who ordered it. Corruption must end. You dey whine.
Now your current they bust my head. It has scatter my head. You think I should punch that guy for me? That is, hey, you too much. Funny.
What do you crop for you? What do you want?
I told you, this will not go well. You have been summoned before the king.
For what?
Have no right to ask us that stupid question. You must appear before the Igwe right now.
You mad? Who they shout for? You see your mates for here. Tell that your king that I will not appear before him unless he tells me my offense. Did they feel me? Now listen. If I go in there and come out and the three of you are still here, you are going to regret in our lives.
You want us to?
Chidima! Get back! Get care or anything! Chidima! No! Chidima! Hurry up! Stay away from me, Chidima, don't do this, please. I can't lose you, Chidima. Please stay away from me. Oh my God, Chidima. Oh, Chidima, please. You won't die, okay? You won't die, Chidima. Please help me, please. Help me, Okay, come down and help, please. Help!
Did you send your boys to shoot Dimma or her sister?
Those boys are idiots. She wasn't the target. The target was that stupid Nwaha who had the audacity, the guts to challenge my orders. She's lucky.
Why are you doing this? These are my people. Your people. Our people that elected you as king. You maim. You kill. You desecrate their homes and put fire on it. Why are you so mean?
How dare you? How dare you talk to me in that manner? Now listen, son. I may not regret bringing you to this world, but certainly I can take you out of this world without any feelings whatsoever. How dare you?
Listen to me carefully. I am respecting you because you are my father and my king. But if anything happens to Chidinma or Moa, you will have me to contend with. I swear by the gods, I will be your doom.
Listen, I am not oblivious of the fact that a lion beget lion. But if you think you have grown, you've grown enough to fight me, go ahead, forget kingship. I am here, fight me, idiot. Now fight me, fight me, fight me. What are you running? Nonsense. Who are you to challenge me? Alright. I am going to kill that girl. Let me see what you're going to do, idiot!
Your Majesty, you have been like this all day. I crave your indulgence. Let's go inside. It's already getting late. So you can freshen up. Take your meal and rest. Please.
I am not hungry. And I don't want to rest. That idiot, that stupid girl has taken my sleep away from me.
No, Father. You will not allow a girl of my age to deprive you of your sleep. Remember your health. You think so highly of yourself simply because you are called the king. You intimidate and take lives of anyone who dares challenges your atrocities. You have touched the tail of the lioness. Mark my words today, you will go down. You must go down.
What do you think of yourself? Huh? First, you challenge my orders. And now you walk into my palace to spew nonsense out of that thing you call your mouth? Who do you think you are?
It don't be for you. Fear my return.
We shall see. See her. No, you see her!
Just take it easy on yourself.
Ogonidingba in my palace? Have you gone mad?
No matter the strength of a tiger, it can never break down the Iroko tree. Anyone who dares to pinch on the nectar of bees will face the dangerous sting of its colony. Your cup is full, Mr. King.
When you are done blabbing, you take that sin and get out of my palace.
This Ogonidingba will remain in this palace until my sister recovers. And if anything happens to my sister, you will know that your charm will not be able to save you from what is about to befall you.
Nidingba of Ndiorike. This is the deadliest alusi of the ancient.
Chief Priest, you are wasting my time. Huh? I know what it is. As you can see, my elders and I have the antidote. I brought you here to remove this thing and revive my daughter and the others. Stop wasting my time.
If indeed you are fully informed,
You should have known that the only person that can clear it,
only the bearer of the alusi of the
So,
Dingba.
Amoso Toto, what is the solution? That's what we are looking for, the solution.
You will do whatever you can to get Umara, to get them away, even if it means going on your nails.
Never! Never! I, the king, to kneel down before a mere common maiden. No. I will not do it.
They are sleeping at the moment, but if this Alusi Agidingba is not cleared within 3 days, they will all die, and that includes your daughter.
Hey! So, Amoso Tutu, are you trying to tell me that this will be here for the next 3 days? 3 days? Hey!
I will not succumb to the demands of war. What is it? She should go to hell and burn. A commoner making demands of the king? No. Never.
My husband, if you do not care about the lives of the people, what about the life of your only daughter? I crave your indulgence. Walk barefooted to Moab to save the life of our only daughter. Please.
And I said I will not do it.
Well, I am not surprised. This has always been your usual style. You let my mother die because of this kinship ambition. Now you want to allow your people, our people, including your daughter, to die because of your greed.
Ndewo kwano. Ndewo. Adai. Nnukwu ada. Nnukwu nwanyị. Nwaọha. You know, no matter what, you are a daughter of this land. And the Igwe that is ruling us is the king of this kingdom. Ada ejikwanu maka na nwata mejọ chufuzie ya ma ọ bụ gbuo ya egbuo. Please, Nne, tamper justice with mercy. Please help us.
Biko, please, we are begging you. Whatever you want, we will do it. Please, we are begging you to come with us to the palace this night to take away the Ogonidingba from there, so that those ones that are affected by it and are sleeping on the ground can stand up before they sleep over.
Biko, Niko.
The one who has incurred the wrath of Ogonidingba is your king. Bring him before me and I will give him my terms. He will walk from his palace to this place barefooted. Only then will I give him my terms.
Dima has woken up.
Dima has woken up?
Yes.
Are you serious?
Yes, she's in the hospital now.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, thank God.
Agadi nwanyi ji mkpọ akpa ndị mmụọchi ya marakwa n'ọchị na akwa ndị mmụọ fana bọbọ fụọ ihe ọkụkọ anaghị ụkakwa nsị bụkwa n'ọbọgwụ aka rọpụta Igwe marakwa na mlachu oyi nduru ebede ya inalugodi nwata ifo dị n'aka ịmanakwa ya nke obu n'uche ya Igwe marakwa na mlachu oyi nduru ebede ya
Thank you so much for everything.
You're welcome. I'll take my leave now.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Somebody need to say the truth. Somebody need to
Are you not the one they call Chidema? Sister to Nwaoha, the youth leader.
Oh no, not me now. Not me Chidimba. Yes. No, enter, let me drop you to wherever you're going to. It will be a great honor to ride the Ono of this community on my bike.
And it will be a great dishonor to ride with a lady like you, a shameless maiden on an Okada. What do you call this thing you are doing? Hustle? Why not look for something like sewing or learn saloon or any other decent job a decent maiden of this community can do? And you are here riding, hustling on a bike. Are you not ashamed of yourself? I would rather trek from here to the palace than ride on a bike with a shameless maiden like you. I cannot. Your sister is parading herself as a youth leader. Job meant for men. You, an Okada man, or is it Okada woman? Have you ever heard of Okada woman? Tofiakwa. Tofiakwa.
Somebody need to sacrifice. Somebody need to pull Katani somebody need to say the truth.
My princess.
Before the king
Do not tell me you're still brooding over what happened.
Mom, I feel like leaving this palace this moment.
My princess, do not speak like that. You are a princess, and a princess does not leave the palace unless on the occasion of marriage. Your father did everything within his powers to salvage this situation. That was tradition, you know. What we are supposed to be talking about here is when you are bringing your suitors that will take you away from this palace in a dignifying way.
Mom,
okay?
Mom, you should be talking to Biechina about marriage, not me. Eh?
Well.
Talk of the devil.
Must Biechina be hit with a stray bullet whenever marriage conversations arise in this palace?
You are the first and only son of the king of this great kingdom. If I were you, I would be making serious marriage plans.
You should get yourself a man.
Oh, where is my daughter? Oh, this is monochromic.
Oh, yes, indeed.
You're most welcome.
Thank you.
Sit down. Sit there. There.
You're welcome. It's been a while.
Thank you too.
You say it's good. Of course I do.
I see. Oh, my queen. Why did the princess live like that? Is everything alright?
Oh, you saw that? Well, perhaps she was irritated by your presence.
How dare you? How dare you disrespect a woman? You are going to apologize to her here and now.
As what? As my father or the king? Oh, please stop it. I am an adult and I have the right to say whatever I want to say, however I deem fit to say them.
That's it. I'm done. I will not take it anymore. It's over.
Nancy, please. The bitch. Have you seen what you cost?
All she wants is freedom of her people. All she needs is freedom and truthfulness. We are all equal. Somebody need to say the truth. Somebody need to challenge the authority.
For the very first time, I'm beginning to get fed up with this community drama. The hate, the disrespect. How long are we going to continue like this? How long?
I know you are hurt over Onowu's remark to your person. But then again, you shouldn't let it weigh you down.
Franca, for crying out loud, I am human and I'm hurt! I am hurt!
I know. But running away from this community is not the best thing to do right now. No! See, your sister is the hope of the common man in this community. And she needs you now. See, a time will come when all your haters, will celebrate you and your sister. Exactly. The same way we, your friends, are celebrating you. Yes. If not for you and your sister, that idiot would have humiliated me and gotten away with it. You see?
And you think that will ever happen? Obviously.
Dima, it's okay. Stop brooding. Come here. Come. It's a phase. It will pass. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Somebody need to challenge the authority. Somebody need to save us from this dungeon.
My prince, the king sees your presence.
Where is he?
In the living room, my prince.
Somebody need to say the truth. Before the kingdom, I will say the truth. Before the king, I will say my mind. I'm war addicted.
What is the meaning of that silly drama you put up out there?
What silly drama are you talking about, my king?
Oh, come on, don't play dumb with me. How dare you insult the daughter of my bosom friend? As if that is not enough. You had the guts to insult your mother, the queen of this kingdom.
Come on, father. You are the mighty king of this community. I mean no disrespect. But when will you be done with all these frivolities?
You mean no disrespect. At the same time, I'm engaged in frivolities. Now you listen to me, son. I am not just the great king of this kingdom. I am your father. And the well-being of my family is my responsibility.
You're right, father. I agree with you.
Don't patronize me. Don't patronize me. We all agreed that you are going to get married to Nancy. And you never objected to it. As a matter of fact, both of you have been dating. Now what changed?
Time changed, Father. Time changed.
Now listen, son. I am a man of my words. And I will not allow you to ridicule me before my friend. So you go there, apologize to Nancy, and bring her back to the palace.
But Father,
There's no but. Now, apologize to your mother for disrespecting her.
Somebody need to challenge the authority. Somebody need to save us from this dungeon. Somebody need to sacrifice. Somebody need to pull Katani who wears
In all sincerity, I am not happy with the reports I am getting from my daughter. Do you think my daughter is one low street, low light girl that your son will be toying with her emotions?
My king, have you forgotten the federal government contracts?
Have you forgotten the loans you are seeing owing the government? This is just to mention but a few.
You were tyrant king. You are so mean. You were heartless king. I will stand my ground.
My king, please, speak to your son.
I must fight you. I will fulfill my destiny.
Alright, I will speak to my daughter.
In this land, I must fulfill what I come for. Somebody need to say the truth. Somebody need to.
It's okay, my daughter. Please stop crying. The king has apologized over the son's misconduct. Believe me, he will come around.
I have never been this humiliated before in my entire life. Me, Nancy. Oh no, Daddy, this is too much. It's too much. I cannot just take it. It's too much.
My daughter, I know how you are feeling. But trust me, he will come around. Come on, put a little smile on your face. Let me take care of the shopping.
No, I'm not in the mood. I want to go shopping. The friend should take me shopping, not you.
The prince will come around. It's okay, my daughter. Stop crying. The prince certainly will come around and take you out. Stop crying. It's okay. It's okay.
Jesus! 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 What is it? What is it? What have I done now?
I'm just here to talk to you. I'm not here to hurt you.
Before the king I will say the truth. Before the king I will say
Franca.
Chidima, eat now, eh? Eat. Eat so you can take your drugs. You've not eaten anything since yesterday. Oh. Which one is you are not hungry? If you don't eat and take your drugs, this fever will get out of hand. Eat. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, eat small.
My mouth is bitter. I don't feel like eating.
Just take small, come on. Eat now. This you are doing is not fair.
Sister, stop me hungry.
Greetings. A great youth leader.
Welcome, my prince. What brings you to my humble abode?
Well, this isn't my first time. I've been here before to congratulate you on your emergence as the first female youth leader of our great community.
Thank you very much. And sorry for ruining your royal robe the other day.
Well, it's nothing.
What is that?
She's shivering. She's running temperature. This is malaria. Just a minute, please.
You see, your body is hot. Eat. If you don't eat, how will you get better? It's for this to work. What is this? No, what is that?
No, this is a malaria drug. So you have to...
What do you want to do? No, I won't let you give it to her.
She's running temperature.
Oga, you no go give my sister any drug. I don't trust you. You know you people don't like us in this village. Nobody likes us. You will not give this to her. How would you know if he has a good intention or bad intention towards you? You'd have known this is yesterday.
The drugs will help to revive her appetite. Please give it to her.
You are so known. You were heartless king. I will stand my ground and fight you.
Look, Ebuka, talk fast. I don't have time. Your presence is traumatizing me. Besides, if you don't have anything reasonable to say, please leave.
Yeah, Franca, please stop being so dramatic. Yeah? Anger influenced my decisions, but now I regret everything. Please, forgive me.
I should forgive you. And do what? And do what, Ebuka? You're a very heartless, sensible, and wicked person. Ebuka, you threw everything we shared, everything we have been through. You threw them and treated me like I meant nothing to you, like a piece of shit. Just because you lost an election. An election that my vote was not the only one that would determine if you win or not. You treated me like I was a piece of trash. You told me to my face, Ebuka, that your ambition meant more than me. Now, follow your ambition and leave my house, Ebuka.
Franca, please. Please, you mean more than my ambition. Please, like I said, anger influenced me. I'm sorry, please, let's continue from when we stop now.
God forbid, Ebuka, God forbid, Chukwaju, I will never, repeat my word, I will never be with you again. I would rather go to the street and be with a madman on the street than ever have anything to do with you again.
Please now, look at me, Ebuka, Ebu Sudan, okay, kneeling down for you, please. Please, I still love you. Let's continue from when we stop, please, Franca, please. I still love you, please.
If you like, crow with your life, beg, roll, jump, I don't care. But let me make it clear to you, you are nothing but one big mistake. I will never repeat again. Leave my house. Oh, you don't want to leave? Okay, no, stay. Nobody! Hey! Open the door! Shut up! No! Hey, don't! No! Come! Where are you leaving? Hey! No! No, you should have stayed now.
How are you feeling now?
My prince, I'm doing great. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you, my prince, for saving my sister. I don't know what drug you administered to her, but whatever it is, it worked.
You're welcome. It's okay. I'm a renowned pharmacist, so it's nothing.
Thank you very much, sir. God bless you.
Yeah, it's you.
Dimma, I hope you're enjoying your meal.
Yes, thank you very much. As you can see, I can eat now.
And please, remember to take the remains of your drugs so you can regain fully.
Thank you so much. I will do that.
Okay. This is a token for you. You're going to be home for the next 1 or 2 weeks, so this should be your earnings for the whole of the time. Take it.
I'm sorry, my prince, but she cannot accept it. You know, she's gonna take a break from work, definitely, so she can get better. But I don't think she needs the money. Thank you.
Rejecting this money simply means that you do not appreciate my kind gestures. Take. Have it.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. God will bless you.
And please, remember your drugs. I'll take my leave now.
Sister. Sister, he's such a nice man.
I think so.
Wow. This is huge.
The queen has been asking after him.
Is there any problem in the palace?
None that I know, my prince.
You're spending my money.
I love spending your money.
And I'm yeah.
I love spending your money.
Greetings, father. Good evening, ma. The guards told me you've been searching for me. What can I do for you?
Obiechina, I am not mad. For the 18th time, I am the queen of this kingdom. And if you would like to greet me, you address me properly as the queen mother that I am.
Good evening, Queen Mother.
By the way, have you gone to Nancy to sort out things with her?
The last time I checked, I do not owe you an explanation to how I live my life. Who I talk to shouldn't be your concern.
Obiechina,
Father,
you're doing it again. Disrespecting your mother.
She is not my mother. She is your wife. As such, she should tame her bound.
Obiechina, come back here. Now listen. Anytime you walk out on me while talking to you, you will see the worst of me. Now get out of my sight. Get out! Idiot.
Your son is growing wings.
And I will clip those wings. All right. I'm so happy. My son here is now a certified pharmacist.
Well, thank you, Father. Thank you for all your efforts. All you put in to see that this was successful. I mean, all these achievements. I'm really grateful.
Come on, son. If I don't do it, who will?
Thank you once again.
By the way, I'm so carried away, sorry. This is Chief Uzondo, the chief protocol to the state governor. He's the one I told you about on phone, that he has a very beautiful daughter. Remember?
Yes, I do.
And that is a beautiful daughter sitting close to you.
Nice to meet you. Sir, nice to meet you. My father here has told me a lot about you. I'm so honored to meet you.
Same here.
Well,
I do hope you get along well with my daughter.
They sure will. They sure will.
About that, can you just spare us some minutes so I can see her outside?
Son, why not finish your meal before you do that?
Come on, my queen. Allow them to go and get acquainted. We have a lot for them to eat. Let them go. They'll come back. Okay?
You say so.
So tell me, what was your discipline?
Thank you. Linguistics. Yes, I wanted to study linguistics because I love the diversity of the culture and languages. That was why I wanted to study culture, language, and history. But my father still said no. And I said yes, sir.
Does that mean that your father influenced all your decisions?
Well, most of them. Because at the end of the day, they turn out not disappointing at all. Like this one.
Are you telling me he's the brain behind all these ideas?
Not just him. Your father too.
Okay. What is your opinion?
I think I like you. But if you don't want it, it's okay.
Well, I think I like you. You appear very beautiful. But a good physique. But I do not want to be with a woman because my father wants me to.
And we have all the time in the world to get acquainted. Don't you think so?
Well, if you say so. But please, I beg you. I do not want you to bank your hope on this. Because it might not favor either of us.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you for being honest with me.
So tell me, what is your favorite color?
Dad, I'm fine. I'll see you later.
It's me, Bianca.
I wish I know. All I know is that I'm sad.
You are sad?
Yes.
But I asked you if you love this guy, and you said no. So what's going on?
I thought so. Okay.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, sir.
Where are you heading to?
I'm headed to the market.
To the market?
Yes.
Like this? No, you shouldn't do that. You should be resting by now.
My friends, I'm fine. As you can see, I'm okay. I'm a strong girl. I'm fine.
You're a strong girl.
Yes, my
No, I insist. You're just recovering.
My friends, I'm okay. I really need to support my sister. You know I'm no longer riding my bike, so let me just help her out in the market.
Okay, fair enough. But you see that bike? You no longer go back to that bike business, alright?
My friends.
I insist, yes. Where's the sister?
My sister is inside.
Inside?
Yes.
Take care of yourself.
Thank you so much, my friends.
Take care of yourself.
Thank you, sir. Alright, I'll take my leave.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
It's looking like my whole life is ending without him. I can't even think straight anymore. Oh God. Bianca, help me. Bianca, you have to help me. If what I am feeling is love, then I want him to feel double of it. I want him to go crazy the way I'm going crazy for him. I want him to adore me. I want him to worship me. I want him to worship every step that I take. Bianca, please help me. Help me, please help me.
Please. Calm down yourself, okay? Calm down yourself. Look, you have to go in there. You're freshen up.
No. Go out and confront your nightmare.
I don't want to freshen up. I want to face my nightmare now. Now, Bianca, I want to confront my nightmare. I want to confront it now.
Hello? Greetings! Who is at home? Mwah! The prince is here! Is anyone home? What? I shall remain here until you come out. Oh, finally, she's here. I thought you're going to remain in there for the rest of the day.
You know, I intentionally stayed indoors, thinking you would go away. But as usual, you as headhunt, just as your father.
Well, I don't know if that is a compliment, but whatever it is, it's fine.
Anyway, what did you do for here?
I came to see you. And to also drive you to the market.
Drive me to the market? Prince, you see this tunnel where you want pass through, eh? I would advise make you go back, because there is no light at the end of the tunnel. That darkness is that place where you will enter. I no go lie for you.
Let's get to the end of the tunnel fast. But please, I beg you, can I drive you to the market?
No, I don't go anywhere with you.
She's so beautiful, very bold. She has some guts. A befitting bride for me, Prince Obechina.
Hello?
Hello, Princess?
Leave whatever you're doing and start coming home now. There is trouble.
Problem?
Father, the prince will soon be here. He's coming.
My friend, Ozondo, please, you've heard her, okay? The prince will soon be here, so let's exercise some patience.
Chinenye! Chinenye!
Please attend to our visitors.
Here to help. Says the right hand man of the king.
Are you
that
serious?
Man that likes enjoyment.
Then what is the problem?
I don't know. But with what I can get, everyone is waiting for the prince.
Waiting for the prince? Like he's in exile.
Greetings, Father. My Queen. Chief. Hi. I hope all is well.
All is not well. My very good friend here wants to talk to you.
I have not come to talk with you. I have only come to ask you a question. Why have you decided to toy with my only daughter's heart?
Who said that? Who said I came to toy your daughter's heart?
Listen.
No, I wouldn't do that.
I need you to tell my very good friend here whether you want to marry her daughter or not.
Father, what is this? We are adults, old enough to take decisions and stand by it. What is all this? Why on earth are we blowing this out of proportion? Is marriage by force?
Young man, no one is forcing you to marry my daughter. Just answer the question. Are you ready to marry my daughter? Yes or no?
No, I will not.
Young man, you are heartless. After sleeping with my daughter, after the useless promises and hopes you made to her, all you want to do is abandon her. You are wicked. You are heartless.
Ozambu, we can sort this out. Now, listen, sir. I will not sit by and watch you ruin everything I'm getting from the government because of your stupidity. Now, I'm giving you 48 hours. Go and look for Nancy, beg her, and make her your bride. Else, you will cease to be my son.
What is it? What is it, you woman beater? Eh? What do you want this time?
Watch your tongue, young woman. I'm not your mate.
What will happen? Come here now. Gambori can keep mano. I'll beat you the way you beat you the other day.
I can see you are nothing but a temptation. But I promise you one thing. I will jump and pass. Franca, please, can we talk? Please.
No.
Franca, please, give me one more chance to explain myself to you, please.
Ebuka, I told you it's over between us.
Ma'am.
So whatever it is you want to tell me, save it for your next girl. But that's if any girl would agree to even date you.
Franca, you are my girlfriend. I don't have any other girl. Franca. Franca.
Men. This gender will stain your whites.
You see that gender? Fear them. They don't have conscience.
I feel so bad for Auntie Nancy. Echina is a good man. But it's so obvious after what is happening now. He's as heartless as his father. Shh. The walls have ears. We cannot just discredit the prince over this matter. We can't just discredit him on this matter now. I'm sure both of them have bonding. There's a bond between them.
I did not lead her on. What is wrong with everybody in this house? Why is no one listening to me? Even you?
But you've been sleeping with her, isn't it?
Just once.
What do you mean by just once?
Somebody need to say the truth. Somebody need to challenge the authority. Before the
Hey, boo-boo.
Get your hands off me. Last night, you planned it out, right?
Oh. Yes. But it wasn't my idea. It was all Bianca's.
Bianca. So I am right to say you took advantage of me.
What? Oh, stop that silly joke. Me?
take advantage of you? Hell no. Anyway, I only did what I did to make you mine. Trust me, I enjoyed every bit of it.
I wanted us to be on this space as family friends, but you ruined everything. Henceforth, you will no longer have my time.
Oh, come on. That's too hard. Oh, Prince, stop now. Come on. It's not that hard. Baby! Baby!
From that day until today, I maintained absolute distance from her. Yes. So tell me, how did I lead her on? How did I break her heart? No, you be the judge.
Man, this gender will stain your white with red oil.
You see that gender? Fear them. They don't have conscience.
I just feel so bad for Auntie Nancy. Like she does not deserve all of this at all. Yeah, I was thinking Prince Obiechina is actually a good man. But with what happened here today, that man is as heartless as his father.
Shh! Bridle your tongue. The walls have ears. You can't just discredit the prince over this matter. I'm sure they both have a bonding link between them.
What nonsense bonding link are you talking about? The bonding link they have, and yet he's leading her on and sleeping with her. Peggy, say the truth if you see it.
But how did she lead her on? How? How now? Now tell me, how did he lead her on?
See, this is our agenda, Sha. Women. We have wahala.
Even at that, Nancy did all that because she truly loved him, not of bad intention. But that is not enough reason for him to break her heart like that.
You see, now them sappy. It's entirely on them. All this royalty problem, my hands are off.
This place you brought me. This place looks somehow.
Nancy, you don't have to be scared. I'm taking you to where destinies are being controlled. Trust me, everything will be fine.
Are you sure?
I'm 100% sure about this.
Okay. I believe you. Let's go.
She's a fearless tigress. She is ready for the war. Bring it on to Buja. She fears no man at all. She know when truth now for her side. All she wants is freedom of her All she needs is freedom and truthfulness. We are all equal. Somebody need to say the truth.
Where are we going? This place is just like the middle of
That's the place that you're going to. Please, and we're here already. This is where destinies are being controlled. Trust me, everything will be fine. Do you want the prince or not?
I do.
So let's go.
Then how did you discover this place?
This is not time for too many questions. Please, can we just leave? Please,
okay.
Somebody need to.
This is where destinies are being controlled.
Somebody need to say the truth. Before the
Nancy, you better comport yourself. Now you guys got come here, so better comport yourself. What's all that?
Baba?
Bow before your Baba.
The tiger envies the eagle, wishing it can develop a wing and fly all over the world. While the eagle envies the tiger, hoping it could have the opportunity to dwell on land and catch its prey. Those in darkness think they have the lights, while those that have the lights envies those in darkness. You have come to force the hand of fate.
Come on, please. Okay, hold the money, please. Come, bring that. Come on. Madam, where your money?
Have pity upon a poor widow.
Which kind of English come with this one? We come to collect money, they ask us, you tell us poor widow.
Please, it's the only means where I and my children feed from, please. I've not sold anything since morning.
Okay, we the mad for here, Abi. We the mad for here.
Hey. What did you call for that place? What did they stop?
We don't need you for this matter.
You said waiting.
We don't need you for this matter.
Come on, Kaban.
We don't do our job, I beg. We don't need you here.
Which job are they mad? Huh? I am the youth leader of this kingdom. This market is under my jurisdiction. I get shop for here. You have no right to torment anybody in this place.
My friend, shut up. Now English you just speak. We don't do our work here. They speak English. They crazy.
Ah, shut up. Hey, man. Hey, come for this place, man.
Come on. Let's go.
Those tax force, they were here in the market. You needed to see how they avoided our shop. Are they not scared?
First, the fear face.
No.
Hey, the fear of Ogedimba
is the beginning of wisdom.
Sister Dima, the tax force is fighting your sister there.
Where?
Let me the boat, man. Let me the boat.
Those who live in the lights envy those in the dark, while those in the dark think they have the lights. And I ask you, are you sure you are ready for this?
Yes, I'm ready.
To kill the hate in a man's heart, you need love. To kill the vitals of love,
you need hate. Loosen up and make up your mind. I ask, do you want to do this?
Yes, I want to do this.
Stretch your hands. You would enchant his name 7 times at the 00 hour and the night. Put it on your waist and live with him. Within the next 24 hours, he will go into oblivion, where you will become his present and past.
How am I supposed to do that? My presence irritates him.
Mine is to provide solutions to your burden. Yours is to carry on with instructions.
Thank you, Baba. She will do just that.
Remember, when you force the hand of fate, there are inevitable consequences.
What does that mean?
Your time ticks. Tick.
Thank you. Thank you.
She don't run. She run, Abi. No, I think you know the shit. Come out now. Okay, she this one with the player. Mugu. This with the player, Abi. No, come out. You feel say you be man. Hey. If I don't kill this girl, put her for the body now. If I don't kill this girl, for a minute. Where you there? You dey challenge us. Come on. Come on, sir.
For collect you now.
This girl get luck, oh. I think say she know the fear now.
Where's this girl?
For just scatter her now.
Go out.
She tell me say she be man. She want challenge you.
In this life, I must fulfill me. In this life.
Franca, have you seen my sister?
No, but I heard you people were attacked by unknown gunmen.
Franca, they are not unknown gunmen. They are from the palace. Yes, they sent them. The king of this community has sworn that my sister and I will not have peace. He sent them to kill us. What are you going to do now? I am going down to the palace and I will make sure they releases my sister to me.
No, I don't think that is a good idea. That will only provoke him the more, and you know you're not fully recovered yet.
You think I care? They should go ahead and do their worst. I am heading over there for them to release my sister to me. My sister. Hello, sister. Okay.
Where is she?
My sister says she's safe. She's not even at the palace.
God. So where is she now?
Before the king, I was
Why did you send your boys to kill Moa? You are not just the only main king that I know. You're tormenting your people all this while with bad leadership, as if that is not enough for you. But you added killing them to it.
Obiechina, shut your mouth. You do not speak to my husband, the great king of this kingdom, in that manner. Do not tell me that I raised a royal rascal.
You are not my mother. You did not raise me.
Obiechina, do not insult my mother when I'm here.
Then tell your mother to respect herself. That I stop collecting the glory of another woman.
Obiechina, your mother must be restless in her grave right now over the kind of useless son you have become.
You lie, father. My mother is proud of the kind of man I have become. Her only regret is getting married to you.
Daddy, now let's go now. Let's go now. It's a hospital. Let's go now.
See, I have an important meeting to attend. Later we'll go and see mommy at the hospital, okay?
Daddy, let's go now. Let's go now. The doctor said that we will not come now, that mommy will die.
Nothing will happen to your mother, okay? I want to be the next king of this town. And if I miss this meeting, it will affect my chance.
Do you choose the kingship over mommy life? Let's go now, Daddy, no, let's go now.
It's okay, we will go. We will go later, okay? Don't worry.
No, later, let's go now.
It's okay, relax, we will go, okay? Obiechina. Obiechina. Stop crying.
Daddy, stop. Don't tell me to stop crying. Because of you, my mommy will die. So please stop telling me to stop crying.
Obiechina. Obiechina.
You sacrificed my mother on the altar of your kingship ambition. You are not just a crown king. You are wicked and a murderer.
How dare you? How dare you? Guards! Guards!
Father, please. Let's not disgrace ourselves before the commoners. I know that he has erred. But please, temper justice with mercy.
Stay away from war. Else, this palace will know no peace.
The only crime my sister committed was speaking for each and every one of us here. She does not deserve to die like that. Even if I'm the only youth standing, I will make sure I fight until this whole nonsense is over.
Shame will be on us if we allow the king to kill the voice of the voiceless. And the blood of war will be on our heads if we do not stop the assassination attempt.
We will have to fight to stop the king from assassinating one. Even if he has to fight all of us. Of course, you know there is no way he will kill all of us. What do we do? What do we do?
You know the only language our ruthless king understands is actions, no dialogue. And we are going to give it to him.
Bam!
There is no how our king is bigger than the whole community. So we mobilize the whole youth to march to that palace.
Are you suggesting we march to the palace to protest?
Exactly.
I'm scared. I'm really scared. We all know we have a ruthless king. And Nobody can predict his next line of action.
If that is the price we have to pay, then I'm in.
No, Dimba. You and your sister have been fighting for everyone in this community. Now it is our time to fight for you people. See, you have to stay back and look after Nwoha while we go to the palace and confront the king.
Exactly. We have to fight to protect our land. We have to march to defend our land.
Somebody need to say the truth.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Somebody need to challenge the authority.
Franca, you're back already. How was the protest?
I don't know. I didn't go again. My father refused me from going. But I heard the king arrested those that went to protest.
The king did what?
He arrested them. Jesus Christ.
Why is this man so mean and wicked? How long will he continue to treat us as if we mean nothing to him?
I don't know. But the more reason we need to be very careful. We have to be careful this time around.
But Nkem and Odinaka, they are still there. What are we going to do?
Let's tell your sister. At least she's the youth leader. Let's tell her.
Please, take my sister out of this. I don't want to involve my sister in any more trouble, please. I think we should talk to the prince instead. Yes, he will be of help.
The prince, yes. Okay,
let's
just talk to him.
Challenge the authority. Somebody need to save us from this dungeon. Somebody need to.
What insolence! Coming to my palace to rant without fear? Nobody comes to my palace, desecrates it, and gets away with it. They are going to remain locked up without food and water.
My husband, the great king of our kingdom, please calm down. Your word is law, and no one stands in your way. You are overworking yourself, and it is not good for your health. Please calm down. Please. For your health. Please, let's sit down.
You are so long. You were heartless king. I will stand my ground and fight you. Current sunshine, I must fight you.
Sit down with Apa ini weh?
Father, what do I do to make you stop going after Nwora's life?
Marry Nancy and ask Nwoha to leave this kingdom.
That is the only way she will be able to escape my wrath. Else, she will die.
What is the assurance?
My word is my bond.
I will do it.
You will do what?
I will marry Nancy and make her my wife. If that is the only thing that will make you stop the assassination attempt on Wara's life. And also for you to release the captives, I mean the youth that has been locked up.
You are a wise man. And you have just made the right decision.
Come in.
Greetings, my prince. The royal guests are here. The king seeks your presence.
Somebody need to pull Katani who wears somebody need to say the truth.
You are not excited about the development. I thought this is what you've always wanted.
You. What changed? You never wanted this.
Nothing changed. I am doing this not because I want to be with you, but to secure the freedom of the one woman I truly love and want to spend the rest of my life with.
Thank you. I'll talk to you in the presence of everyone. Give me your hand. Your hand.
Cheers, my friend. Cheers. Cheers to the new union.
Yes.
We are going to be a good family.
Yes, and I will soon become a grandmother.
Just look at them. They are holding hands. This shows unity. And I told you that they will bond.
And I must say, I'm so happy to see my daughter smile again.
You can say that again. Daughter-in-law, you are welcome to our family. Thank you, Father. Thank you, my king, my queen, and my beautiful princess. Thank you. I would like to say that today is the most happiest day of my life. Today is a liberation day for me. Prince Obiechina. One thing I love about you is your sincerity from the get-go. You have maintained your stand about this. And as it is, you've been right all along. But we are not going to get married because our parents want to use us as a collateral to pay for a favor they did to each other in the past. Nancy, what are you saying? I am saying that there will be no marriage between the prince and I. I thank you for your love and support. But unfortunately, my king, I am out. Father, let's go. Nancy.
My friend.
Nancy.
We can sort this out.
Okay, China, are you standing there? Would you follow her?
Obiechela, I know that this is your handiwork. Yes, it's your handiwork. You think you are smart? Listen, the battle line has been drawn.
I did not do anything to her. I'm serious. I didn't do anything to her.
Then what happened?
I don't know.
Then what happened?
Probably she just relaxed herself.
Indeed. She realized herself. Bichina, you are a disappointment.
Kosi,
Sort yourself.
You too?
I'm out.
I didn't do anything. Suddenly, she just realized herself. I didn't do anything to her! I swear by the gods, I did not do anything. I want this marriage! Father, I want this marriage!
I'm so happy. I finally got this weight off my chest. Thank you, Lord.
Come in, Bianca.
What do you mean by you have realized your true self?
Do you know the consequences of your decision?
Well, if it's about this, damn the consequences. I will not use charm to tie down a man. Never. Hell no. I am way too beautiful for that. Check me out now.
Really?
Aren't you seeing it?
Didn't you think about that before we embarked on that journey? Didn't you?
Well, like I said, I realized myself.
Good for you.
Thank you.
And make sure you return that beat to Baba. Else, you won't like the consequences.
Really? Wait. You will have to return it to Baba yourself. Yes. Because it was all your idea in the first place.
Yes, what can I do for you?
Officers, that's the king.
Yes, what is it?
Sir, you are under arrest.
For what?
For illegal misuse of licensed firearm, intimidation, extortion, and others.
Do you know who you are talking to? I am the great king of this kingdom. I can call your commissioner now, and you'll be sacked.
Sir, this time now you cannot make any call. When we get to the station, you can make your call.
Move.
Officer, wait.
It's all right.
Sir,
I'm entitled to one phone call. Move. I'm entitled to a phone call. Move.
Officer, I can talk about this.
Officer,
Move. Obiechina, call the commissioner.
Nichols, they've taken your father.
Obiechina, do something.
Obiechina, don't do anything. Officer!
She's ready for the world to Buja. She fears no man at all. She know when truth now.
Are you going to accept the kingship when your father is still alive?
Alive in prison.
Freedom of her people. All she needs is freedom and truthfulness.
You have no conscience. We are talking about your father, our father, and you want to go there and talk about the throne. Obichina, where is your conscience? Where is it?
Listen. Father deserves everything that he is getting. Everything.
My prince, it is sad how things turn out for the king. But as we all know, in accordance with the tradition of this land, our throne cannot be left vacant for long. So, a new king must be crowned as soon as possible. We decided to discuss it with you before we take it to our people, telling them that the throne of our kingdom is vacant.
Oh no, you are very much correct. The kingship of our community, since it is not hereditary, it is still open for contention. The prince here is qualified to contest for the throne.
Well, thank you, my elders. I really do appreciate your constant support all the time. The privileges you've given to me, I do not take them for granted at all. I do not desire to become a king. The only one thing I desire right now is to get married to the woman of my dreams and move far away from this kingdom, where I can start a new family and live a quiet life after. Come. Come. Marry me.
Say yes. Say yes. Yes.
No, I won't marry you.
Sister.
No! Oma does not sit there.
I want to be the king and rule over my people.
Hey! Hey!
Ha! You were heartless king. I will stand my ground and fight you. Go rain, go sunshine, I must fight you. I will fulfill my destiny. In this land, I must fulfill it. In this land, I must fulfill what I come for. Somebody need to say the truth. Somebody need to challenge the authority.